Hello everyone, let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. If you like this kind of presentation, you can find them in my channel. We have many tutorials like this. Now let's see that. It's pretty beautiful, as you can see. It's really looking nice. Let's see how we create this glass effect. It's really important. Some of you may have some guesses, but let's start it. At first, we have this background. This is a picture. Okay. We create the effect from this picture. How we create that? Okay, it's important. We create a new blank space, copy this thing here, and then we format the picture correction. We make everything 0 or reset them. Okay, we have the picture now. You see, this is a beautiful picture, but how the glass effect appeared? This thing, you see, an important thing about this glass effect is this shadow and these other things that they are none. Okay, let's see how we can create them. We just simply have this picture. We are going to insert 1, 2, and 3 of these shapes. We are going to select both of them and go to shape format. Let me just copy this picture another time, or this slide. That's good. We select both of them and go to shape format and then make them fragment. Select both of them, picture format, make them shape format, make them fragment. These two, shape format, make them. You see, it's important which one of them you select first. Shape format, fragment. Now we delete the background. Delete the background. We have our 3 pictures. Now what we do, we just simply add the shadow to our pictures. Now when we put the pictures here, you see the glass effect appeared. Okay, this is how we create the glass effect. I create them in the past. The 3 of them in this slide, everything are the same. The 4 of them, sorry. But after that, we need to create this first slide. How we create them? We copy this slide and we copied it another time. We select this 3 thing and go to picture format and align them center, align them middle. Now bring them here, put them here. Now I just simply need to send this thing out and bring this thing in the middle. Now when we just set the transition to the morph. Okay, it's good. Let's run it and see how it looks like. You see, the glass effect is really beautiful and look amazing. If you like this kind of content, you can find many of them in my channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. Until then.